Lovely Thursday, everyone. It's January 16, 2025, and it's a beautiful Thursday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay natin, mga blessings na darating pa din kasama mga pagsubok, mga trials and challenges ng buhay natin, which makes our life more beautiful, wonderful, and exciting. At syempre, huwag natin kalimutan pasalamatan yung mga taong tumulong sa atin during our trials at sa mga taong nakikimaritis lang dun sa buhay natin. Shout out doon kina Glenda, Glenn Snow, and Pucci, Margie Crane, Cesar Boris, Mama Lu, Luis at Susen, Janet Panaag, and Aldi Galvadores ng Malaybalay City, Bukidnon, kina Raymond and James Defamente, Ray Flores, Rick Elisna, Jonel Raplesa, Roel Caihaw and family, Najima David, Nimpa Pagsibigan, Angie Sarmiento, May Gumayan, Elizabeth Ibarra, Babel Andres, Inday Araso, Ali Maagla, Eds Macalinaw, Winnie Claire, B. Santiago, and Glay Dion. At siyempre sa lahat ng members ng the Order of the Nine Gates. Ripples of the day natin po is acceptance of our failures and defeat. Grant us the opportunity to learn the lesson, grow, and become a much better person than before. So keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed, lovely Thursday, everyone.